This dog suddenly started sprinting across the field, like something important just happened. At first, it doesn't really make sense. Why is he running straight toward the sheep? But watch closely. He isn't chasing them at all. Instead, he moves behind the flock, slowly guiding them in one direction. Step by step, he circles around them, making sure none of them wander away. Then you realize what's really happening. Somewhere behind the camera, his owner already gave the command, and just like that, the dog becomes the real shepherd.